In this video we will see how to set up and use the Fivetran for data pipeline. So guys, if you want to setting up your Fivetran account, first of all navigate to the official website of Fivetran website. Okay, click the option of start free and sign up to begin. Then guys, enter your company email and create a secure password and provide the basic organizational detail when prompted. Then guys, verify your email address through the link and sent to you. Then log in into your newly created Fivetran dashboard. After that, simply configure a data connector. So guys, from the Fivetran dashboard, click the option of add data connector. Search for your desired data source like Salesforce or the Google Ads. Then select the specific connector type from the list and follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Fivetran access and provide any unnecessary credentials or API keys. After configure the initial sync setting and select the schemes table, test the connection to ensure it is successful. Okay. After that, connecting your data warehouse's destination. So go to the destination tab in your Fivetran interface, click the add destination and choose your data warehouse type. Then select your chosen data warehouse, example Snowflakes, BigQuery, Redshift. Enter the required connection details and provide the database name and the schema prefix. After that, test the destination connection to confirm the reachability and select this is as your primary destination of new connector. Then guys, initiating data sync and monitoring. After configuring both connector and destination, navigate to the connector overview. Click the option of start and initial sync. Monitor the sync process and the status on the connector dashboard. Review the sync history from any error. Then set up alert for the failed synchronization of data anomaly. Then adjust sync frequency and reconcile the setting as needed. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.